Did you know that the camera module of magicplan has improved? We used to have photos and 360 degrees panoramas, but now we also have videos. Interesting. Let's have a look. Hi everyone, I'm happy to announce that we're finally ready to release a feature that you guys asked for months. So now it will be possible to record videos directly in the magicplan app. It's super simple. We're gonna see how it works in a sec, but it's really important for those of you who would like to create a walkthrough of your property or to document maybe water damages, fire damages, any kind of damages of a property. So you can now add both videos and photos as you did before. So I would like to show you how it works. I select a project that I just created for this room and I enter my project. I'm gonna move to the damage that we want to document. I enter the room, I tap on photos and notes, I tap on the plus and select camera as we did before, but we don't select photos, we select video and we record. Here, as you can see, we can show everyone that we are seeing what needs to be fixed. Once we're done, we tap on stop. If we want to be even more precise, we can also stay here and maybe take a picture. And once we're happy, we tap on next. So you created the documentation for your room or for your apartment. Everything is listed here and we tap on save all. Voila, you see that the video has also been saved here with the photos. But let's imagine that you don't like to create a floor plan, you don't need it for some reasons, so you can also start from the photo section. So imagine that the floor plan section on top will be empty and you will start from photos. You tap on the plus here, you select camera, and you can, here we can ignore this. Let's pretend we have no floor plan. We select video and we can record here. I just record here the side of the studio and I tap on stop. Once I'm done and you see that the video has been saved, I tap on next. Just a little note, you can see at the bottom that you also have the option to add a caption or to delete a video if it's not as you want it, and you can redo it later, of course. We tap on save all and voila, the video has been saved here. Just a side note, every video can be max 5 minutes, but you can record as many videos as you want inside the same project. So feel free, if you have a big property and you have to document a lot, to do more videos. It's absolutely fine. Now, let's imagine that we want to export this file. We need to share them with colleagues or with the clients. We can tap on see all near the photo section, and here in the upper right corner we have the export toggle. Let's see both options. I will start with the web gallery. So here, let's give it a name. I call it video 1. Done. And we can do publish to web. Give it some seconds so that the videos can be uploaded. Okay, here we go. And voila, you can see that everything is here. So you could select a video, and if you tap on play and record here, I just record here the side of the studio, you can watch the video that you just recorded. And let's say that we prefer to use the PDF instead of the web gallery. I just go back. I tap again on see all near the photo section, on the export toggle one more time, and I select the second option, PDF. I will call it video 2. I tap on done and I generate a PDF. Give it some seconds again. And here we are. So you see that you have your PDF and you have videos, photos, everything listed here. So everyone getting your document can simply select the video, tap on the play button, and can be able to watch the video that you recorded on site. If you prefer, you can also export a regular report PDF. The videos will be embedded there too, so you will have the same thing. There will be a play toggle on your video, so the person getting your PDF via email, for example, will be able to play the video and see what you recorded on site. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.